Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of beauty, skincare, and personal care essentials. Today, we're taking a closer look at what might just be the best eyeshadow palette for nude and natural shades. The Laura Geller New York The Delectables Earthy Essentials Baked Eyeshadow Palette. If you're someone who loves warm, wearable tones with a mix of matte and shimmer finishes, this palette will instantly catch your eye. The Earthy Essentials palette includes 14 beautifully baked eyeshadow shades, all inspired by neutral, brown, and earthy tones that effortlessly enhance your natural beauty. Now let's talk about what makes this palette stand out. These eyeshadows aren't your typical pressed powders. Each one is baked from a creamy pigment for 24 hours on terracotta tiles, which results in a silky, smooth texture with minimal fallout. What you get is a luxurious, creamy feel when applied, with a formula that's crease-proof, long-lasting, and incredibly blendable. Application is a breeze. You can start by sweeping a light shade over the eyelid to act as a base. Then move into a mid-toned shade to define the crease. To sculpt and add dimension, a deeper matte color goes into the outer corner. Finally, finish it off with a pop of shimmer on the center of the lid or the inner corner for that radiant glow. The result is a beautifully layered look that transitions seamlessly from day to night. The versatility. Whether you want a subtle everyday nude look or something more dramatic and earthy, these 14 shades give you a lot of creative freedom. From soft mattes like gentle beige and warm taupe to glowing shimmers like golden bronze and rich olive tones, this palette is perfect for almost every skin tone and eye color. What's more, it's all in one sleek palette, easy to travel with and compact enough to fit into your beauty kit. It's a must-have whether you're a beginner or a seasoned makeup lover looking for a reliable nude palette that actually delivers. So if you're in the market for a go-to eyeshadow palette that offers natural tones, rich pigments, and a crease-proof formula, the Earthy Essentials Baked Eyeshadow Palette absolutely deserves a spot in your collection. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. See you in the next video.